Hello, welcome to SmartWeb Solutions. In today's tutorial, I will introduce you to Direct Admin Panel, one of the most powerful and easy to use web hosting control panel. Whether you are a beginner or a web host manager, this video will help you understand how Direct Admin works and what you need to do with it. Now, before we dive in, if you are visiting this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe, like our page, and hit on the notification bell so that we get to be notified as we upload new videos. Now, if we said a direct admin, what do you mean by direct admin? A direct admin is just a web host control panel that allows you to manage your website, your emails, your database, and all of your domain names in one place. It is designed to be a fast and a lightweight and of course a user-friendly, giving you full control over your hosting account without needing deep technical knowledge. So you don't need to have more experience on web hosting before you can use a direct admin. And some of the features or some of the key reasons why you need a direct admin panel is because of its speed. It runs smoothly even with low resources on the server. You don't need to be upgrading your account from one resources to the other before you have a speed on a direct admin. So it has this feature of speed. The interface is very clean and easy to navigate. If you are using direct admin, you can believe with me that it is more easier to navigate than using the Plex panel or using the cPanel. It also has features of security, which include the SSL management, the firewall tools, and of course the backup. So all of these features are enabled on direct admin. You can also have two-step authentication, then password protection, password protected directories are also enabled on this direct admin account, and you have multi-level access which support the admin, the reseller, and also the user level interface, so you can navigate in between these features. Other key features on the direct admin is under the account manager, we have the domain setup where you can set up your domain name, add your domain name, modify your domain name. You don't need to contact any of the security personnel to modify your domain name from the server. You can do the modification here under the domain setup. You just click on the domain name you want to modify and then click on rename. If you want to change the domain name you are using for the host, so you just enter the new domain name you want to rename .com and then save it. Once you save, the domain name is going to be renamed on the server, so you have that privilege to do that, unlike the cPanel and the Plex panel. So you also have feature to suspend and unsuspend your domain name, or if you have a couple of add-on domain names on the domain name, you can just check on the domain you want to make it as a default. You then click on set as default or delete the domain name, unlike the cPanel and the Plex panel where you don't have that feature to delete or rename or set any of your domain name to be as default on the account, except if you contact the administrator to do that for you. So this is another exciting feature on direct admin. So you have the subdomain management where you can manage all your subdomain on this account. You can add, delete, or do whatever with the subdomain. Then you have your FTP management, you have your database section where you can create a couple of database, and of course you have the hotlink protection. This hotlink protection, it prevents other users from having access to your images, your videos on your website. If your videos or your images are assigned on your website, another admin that is having access to it, or he can add the images on his own website. So whenever a client or his client visits the image, it will be consuming your database, your bandwidth, sorry, it will be consuming your bandwidth on your own account, and then his own bandwidth is not being tampered with. So that hotlink protection, what it does is just prevent that access to the client having access to your images or your videos on your website. So once we enable the hot link protection, it does that for you. Then we have the PHP settings, where you can upgrade or downgrade the PHP version of your account and set any other features. Then aside the account manager, we also have another feature for email manager, where you can manage all email correspondence. You have your email record, you have the autoresponder, where you can set the autoresponder on the email, and you can create emails using the email account and others. So other features include the extra feature, which includes the PHPMyAdmin, the backup, and also the Subtaculous, where you can install your Subtaculous, that is the WordPress and other CSS script, the Joomla and the what have you. So you can do the installation all from this segment. So any of the scripts you want to install, you just click one click and boom, it will be installed on your account. That is it for introduction to Direct Admin Control Panel. If you have any question, you can drop it on the comment section, and mind you, it is user friendly and it is of course affordable. So thank you for your time, and if you have any questions, do drop it on the comment section. And if you are visiting this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe, like our page, and hit on the notification bell so that you get to be notified as we upload new videos.